Welcome back to Innovin Recipes. Today we are making a crispy and delicious egg aloo cutlet, a perfect snack with a surprise egg inside. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Cutlets are believed to have originated in France but become popular worldwide in different forms. The word cutlet means a small flat piece of food. Half cup fried onions. Half teaspoon chili flakes. Half teaspoon cumin. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon pepper powder. 1 teaspoon green chilli. Half teaspoon grated garlic. 2 teaspoon lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. In South Asia, potato cutlets are a common street food loved by all ages. Make sure the potatoes are well mashed for smooth binding. Now take some mixture. Place half of a boiled egg in the center and cover well. Adding a boiled egg inside makes this cutlet a protein-packed surprise. Now prepare a slurry. Take 1/4 cup flour and half cup water. Mix well. Chill the cutlet mixture for 10 minutes before shaping to avoid breaking. Dip the cutlets in slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs and fry in medium heated oil. Use fine breadcrumbs for extra crispiness. Fry on medium heat for an even golden crust. Potatoes provide instant energy with healthy carbs. Eggs add high quality protein and essential vitamins. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Garlic and green chili give natural antibacterial and immunity boosting benefits. Homemade cutlets are healthier since you control the oil and spices. Your egg aloo cutlets are ready to serve. Crispy outside, soft inside with a delicious egg surprise. A perfect tea time snack for the whole family. Try this recipe and tell us how your cutlets turn out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Recipes for more tasty ideas.